We back reacting to Tinashe Needs.
It's Tinashe.
She's Zimbabwean, my guy. It's Tinashe.
Okay.
It's literally a Zimbabwean name.
Askis Tinashe. I'm so sorry.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. We are on a nice quantitative goal. We want to reach 500 subs. 500 subs.
Yes.
Very
Please,
soon.
We beg you.
We're at 145 right now, so let's see.
It's 44.
44.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, one shot. Don't worry. 144. Let's get to 500 subs. Please like the video. Please watch all the other videos.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he's gonna need another titty in his mouth. Otherwise, let's watch this. That's a long aisle.
Americans. How much food can you eat?
No.
Hey, what a transition. Where were those guys?
Didn't expect that.
Tinashe's voice has always been strong. It's like attribute. She's a good dancer, but hey, her voice.
She's a
is
good
just-
performer.
Yeah, her voice is just something else. Get out.
Okay, I don't know about that. I know it's called cold meat.
I would still eat that.
Of course you would. You
Jesus
sick fuck.
Christ. I would still eat
Of course
that.
you would. I don't know about meat going there, and hopefully this is not a real supermarket.
Hopefully it is. Hopefully it is.
Now eating meat with. Never mind.
Why don't you just shoot here in South Africa? We have like tax incentives for this. Like you could have shot at any supermarket. Like I would have been there. I would have helped you.
Like a sick fuck through the window. I don't know about that.
Oh, come on, my guy. Let's go.
What is the spice?
Yeah.
Did you rinse it?
Wait a second. Yeah, I don't think she rinsed it. It looks looks unwashed. But wait. I think her voice is so damn good. I'm overlooking the lyrics.
That's what I'm
The
actually
moment-
paying attention to.
The moment someone says something
Please talk
about
about pussies.
fruits and bananas, and I need to know, what are you saying? It was not washed.
Just can't help it when my head's on my knees. They ain't never seen moves like these. Nice and clean, like one body, but a talk on me. He simply said, no, please forgive me. Oh,
This is a great shot.
It is.
The song really makes you want to buy a pole, right?
What? Why the fuck would I want to buy a pole?
Okay, no decorum, I guess.
Hey, why do you have to sexualize things?
After party between the sheets, what are they doing? Praying, church service.
It doesn't have to be
In
that.
the name of Jesus.
Doesn't have to be that.
Fuck that.
She's down with the ancestors. She's Zimbabwean, our neighbor. She's not American, like all you Americans say.
Don't be a tease.
Eh,
Got them keys. After party in between the sheets. Make you say please.
I'll give her props for those are some strong knees. Not many girls can drop to their knees like that.
Top to shawty in a penthouse suite.
Look at the stage.
Why do they need to?
Talent.
Why do they need to? Why do they need to?
Special attention.
Why do they have to sexualize everything? Not everything has to be
I
sexualized.
said that I didn't say anything about sex. I said it's special attention.
What attention? What are you talking
You could
about?
be looking for your socks underneath your bed.
Like this.
I said how she dropped on her knees.
Why do you have to look for your socks? Why are you looking for? Why are you looking for your socks like that?
Maybe I asked the girl to look for my socks.
What's
under
with
the
the
bed.
hurry? Jesus Christ! You just wanted to drop to her knees that bad?
When life gets tough, get on your knees.
Please, please.
Oh shit! actually, in my head, I picture myself praying, and then someone put a dick in my mouth.
And I'm the one who's making things sexual.
I'm thinking, I'm just human. We all got needs.
Get away!
I'm just human. We all got needs.
Na-na-na-na. Get away from Tinashe.
She's been teasing the guy.
Hey, he's a better man than I.
The least you could do is put your hands in.
At least pout. You're not gonna get you're not gonna get fired if you just pout. She might be like, you never know. But yeah, that was Tinashe Needs. I love this song.
You know,
Love
for
this song.
all the good girls who
6.
wanna be. For all the girls who wanna let loose, this is the truth. Certified.
Tinashe.
Drop them knees. Ugh, makes me wanna go buy someone a bottle of wine.
I'm in love with church girls. They don't drink. But yeah, there was
Not at
Tinashe.
your house. Gotta bring them over here, bring down.
Oh fuck you, piece of shit.
Tinashe.
That was Tinashe Needs. Yeah, good track. I love Tinashe. Keep doing what you're doing, girl. And yeah,
Because she took a hiatus for a while, right?
yeah, she did.
Hopefully she's more consistent now. She's back.
Yeah, we'll have to react to more of her videos.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, guys, please suggest videos for us. Please
And like
subscribe. Please subscribe,
and
guys.
watch the other videos.
We're on the road
please.
to 500 subscribers, and yeah, we are behind.
Let's come together.
Guys, by the time the year ends, my mother has to see that, okay, this YouTube thing is working. If it doesn't work, I don't know. I'll have to be, what do they call it when you have to get admitted to like an army or something? What do they call that
Drafted.
term? Yeah, I'm gonna be drafted in the, what's the name of our army?
We're here, we queer. Yeah.
No, the real one, not that one. What the hell?
It's the NDF.
Yes, the South African National Defence Force. If we don't get to 500 subscribers, I'll be there for the rest of my life.
Anyway, bye bye.
They're circumcised.
What the fuck?
Dude, they watching. Lie, nigga. Lie.
Did I bye bye? Yes.